Hey, thanks for joining us today. This is the time when we read questions that you've sent in to us. We have baked them into fortune cookies. We haven't baked them in. Somebody has baked them into
Mr.
fortune
Wong.
cookies for us. So, Steve, if you would do the honors of grabbing randomly a fortune
I would
cookie
be happy
out of
to.
your stack of cookies, we will find out what is going on today.
What's going on?
I'm just going to
Just
grab
grab it. Give it a
from
grab.
you, you know.
All right,
It's like
I'm ready.
eating nigiri.
I am
You
ready.
just-
I am ready for the question.
Okay.
Okay, I'm so excited. I am so excited.
Right. This is from Tyler.
Tyler.
Hey, Tyler. He's from Arcadia, California. He's a
Down
California,
Southern California,
boy.
close to
Little
Disneyland.
SoCal.
I love Disney.
And our intern Jack is close to him there.
is.
Not that close, but it's close. Closer than he is to us. So it says, "Isn't my smartphone good enough?" Mm-hmm. Yep. There you go. So, like always, if you have a question for us.
So here's funny. Here's a funny thing. Let me say a funny thing.
Okay.
So,
I'm getting ready to laugh, okay?
right? No, I shoot a lot of pictures with my smartphone.
Yeah.
And you did laugh, right? Literally, you're like, why are you shooting with your smartphone?
Yeah, exactly.
That thing's a piece of garbage. I'm like,
Yeah.
Mark, you don't even have a camera in your hand. I got the shot, right? You're like, oh, yeah.
I guess so.
I guess so. But really, the thing is, like, for every day, like, shooting.
Yeah. I capture
and
more
what
and
you
more
did, you
stuff.
actually bought a fancy new Samsung phone, right?
Yep.
Because you wanted
Latest,
to capture.
greatest. That's right, because I started taking pictures with my phone.
So I want to say, yes, it is good enough for some things.
Yep. For recording life and letting people see.
We shoot a lot
what you
of
see.
video with it. We just, it's a great image capture. Here's my worry, though. I'm going to tell you something that I'm worried about with smartphones. Do you remember when you were a kid? Now, if you're our age, you definitely remember. If you're millennial and under, you might not have this actually happen, but baby books.
Yeah.
And picture albums
Yes.
that were of all of the stuff you did when you were younger.
My brother has one. I have one.
Yeah.
My sister. There was individual albums for each
So,
one of us kids.
Mom always went to Safeway and printed the pictures. Went and put in the roll of film. A week later, it came back in a little envelope. Right, all the pictures. Now, the cool thing is that today I still have those pictures. Now, I've got boxes actually full of pictures.
Me too. Tubs.
What do people have now? They have all their pictures on their smartphone. What happens with their smartphone?
Yep. You get a new one.
Right,
Comes
it goes
up,
in the
or it
water.
gets- Yep.
Or, it something happens. People are not archiving these images.
Or they're saying, well, it's backed up to the cloud that my service has, but we switch services.
Yep. So, Google's got an example, a great thing right now. They got Google Photos, which automatically will back up every picture on your phone right away automatically to the cloud, which is pretty cool. But I just worry that people are going to lose their pictures. So that was kind of digressing from the original thing. But what I want you to do is make sure that you actually back up your pictures onto another either cloud or onto your computer. It's easy to do.
Yeah.
But
You could still take them down to the Walgreens, wherever, or
can.
Costco, and have some printed out. So you still have the shoebox full of prints.
man, like photos from the Galaxy 8, from iPhone 10,
You print
they're
those out.
jaw-dropping.
Yeah,
really
really,
good.
yeah.
Really, really good. So
Yep.
comparing to a DSLR, they're not as good. They're just not.
If you're doing it
But
for
they're awesome.
work, if you're doing it for art, no. But if you're doing it because you just enjoy capturing the moment, of course, it's good enough.
In fact, we have a friend, John, who takes a lot of pictures in Napa Valley.
Yeah.
Right? He's got an iPhone 10, and latest iPhone 10 pictures I've seen from him of hot air balloons,
I know.
they were spectacular. So-
Even zoomed in, they still looked amazing. So
Yep.
amazing stuff
question.
happening with our small telephones, not our cell phones, or whatever devices you want to call them. Smartphone.
Good question. I liked it.
Yeah. Hey, like always, if you have a question, let us know, and we will have Mr. Wong bake it into a cookie and maybe read it.
That's right.
On one of these segments. And if we do read your question, you are going to be sent our Chopstick Guy Kit, where you can get some chopsticks and the
2
rest,
pairs.
and you're going to get a little bowl for your soy sauce, and it just comes in this gorgeous packaging.
It's beautiful.
And you will love it, and
You'll be amazed.
It'll be a showpiece for your
You'll
house.
tell your friends.
That's right. Hey, and like always, if you like what you see, even if you don't like what you see, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends about us. Pretend we're Batman. Hey, tell your friends
Because
about
when
me.
you see a negative comment, you cry.
That's right.
And I don't like seeing Mark cry.
Ruins my day. So give me a big thumbs up so that I can smile today and I can go home to my 4 children and be nice. So anyways,
As
most
always.
importantly, as always, don't forget to
say
say sushi.